Hey guys, Marcus sent us a question, and his question was, William, I really want to get into real estate, but I just don't know how to manage it. I have a job that requires me to work 60 hours a week. I have a family. We have outside activities. I just can't find the time to do it. And my answer to Marcus is, listen, if you want to be successful, if you want something different than everyone else has, you have to do something different. When I got started in real estate investing, I had a 70-hour-a-week job that was very demanding. I had to cover an entire state. I was a restaurant district manager, married, had a couple of young children who had activities, soccer and baseball and all of those things. And, we have stuff we have to do every day. How did I get started? I ordered a Carlton Sheets course, and then after everyone was in bed at night, I would stay up on the computer, and we didn't have a lot of the tools you guys have today. We didn't have Facebook in the beginning. We had online news groups and chat rooms and all those things. We didn't have videos and YouTube and all of those things. We would get in chat groups, talk with people. We would drive for dollars one day, all week long when we had a few minutes, and go to the courthouse or go to the tax assessor's office one day a week, look up all of the addresses, and then look up names and phone numbers and send letters or make calls. We would go through newspapers, calling FSBOs, didn't have Zillow. Gosh, we barely had the internet, okay? But we made those things work. And, and I can tell you, I've got students right now, and you can tell right away the ones that want to make things work. They are the military people who are professionals and have demanding jobs who cold call sellers on their lunch breaks. Okay, they're people that do the same thing. They work jobs all day long, come home, stay up late into the night studying, reading those books, watching videos, doing all of those things in addition to all of their other duties. And it reminds me of a saying I heard when I first got started that's still one of my favorite quotes. I don't know who to credit it to, but it was, if you'll do for a short time what others won't, you can do for the rest of your life what others can't. A perfect example is me and my wife right now. We've been on the epic road trip for the last 9 months. And how can we do that? It's because we put in the work on the front end. How many people would just like to load up the car and just travel for the next year? Okay? If you want to do those things, you're going to have to put in the work. There are no shortcuts, okay? No real shortcuts that are going to last for you. Learn what you want to do. Practice all the time. Get in as much time as you can doing it, and you'll be successful. Persistence. It is the most important part of success. And if you'll just put in the time, I promise you, you'll see the rewards.